Dear students, now we will discuss rate of inflation. The indicator of rate of inflation is wholesale price index, as we have already discussed in earlier class. Now this wholesale price index is prepared for every week. If for week 1 wholesale price index is A1 and for week 2 wholesale price index is A2, then rate of inflation between week 1 and week 2 would be estimated as under. So then rate of inflation is equal to, as the wholesale price index for week 2 is A2 and week 1 is A1, so we subtract A1 from A2, so rate of inflation is equal to A2 minus A1, and then it is divided by A1 and multiplied by 100. By this formula we get rate of inflation. So this is how we calculate rate of inflation. Now we will write an example and then we will estimate rate of inflation. What will be the rate of inflation? Now for an example, if wholesale price index, WPI means wholesale price index. Now if wholesale price index for week 1 is equal to say 100 and wholesale price index for week 2 is equal to 150. If wholesale price index for week 1 is 100 and for week 2 wholesale price index is 150, then what will be the rate of inflation? So then rate of inflation is equal to, now the formula is that rate of inflation is equal to A2 minus A1 divided by A1 and multiplied by 100. So we get here, since A2 is 150, so we get 150 minus A1 is 100, so 150 minus 100 divided by A1, that is also 100, and multiplied by 100. Now 150 minus 100, that is 50, so we get 50 upon 100 and multiply it by 100. So 100 and 100 will cancel out, so we get 50. Now as we have multiplied it by 100, that means it is 50%. It is 50 out of 100. So this is how we can calculate rate of inflation. So if this is the data, then rate of inflation between week 1 and week 2 will be 50%. Now then there is that what will be the annual rate of inflation. The annual rate of inflation is estimated by considering average of the wholesale price index for all weeks of the year. If there are 48 or 52 weeks in year, say there are 50 weeks in year, then we sum up all the averages of these 50 weeks, then divide them by 50, we will get the average price index for whole year, or we say that annual rate of inflation. By this we get annual rate of inflation. So annual rate of inflation, annual rate of inflation is estimated by annual rate of inflation is estimated by considering average of the average of the wholesale price index for all weeks of the year. So this is all about the rate of inflation. So then in next class we will be discussing the industrial production and index numbers, or the index numbers of industrial production.